Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com, and in this video we'll learn about JavaScript. This video series is about JavaScript, and in this video I'll give you a brief introduction about JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is a scripting language which is used to make web pages smarter by adding interactions between the user and the pages. Okay, JavaScript makes the web pages smarter. Alright, and JavaScript is a scripting language. A scripting language is a programming language, only it is smaller and less powerful. Okay, scripting language is like a programming language, but it is smaller and less powerful. Alright, and scripting languages are of two types. Client-side scripting language and server-side scripting language. Okay, scripting languages are of two types: client-side scripting language and server-side scripting language. Okay, now what is the difference now? Here, client-side scripting language runs at the user's end, that is the browser. Okay, client-side scripting language runs on the user browser. Okay, the browser executes the scripts. Okay, for example, see, when a user requests a program coded in client-server scripting language, server will send it to the browser. Okay, and the program is executed by the browser and the result is displayed to the user. Okay, when a user requests a program coded in client-server scripting language, server will send it to the browser, the program is executed by the browser and the result is displayed to the user. Okay, whereas when a user requests a program coded in server-side scripting language, server will execute the script and send the result to the user. Okay, the programs are executed on the server and the results are sent to the browser. Okay, and the browser displays the result. Alright, so that's the difference. Client-server scripting language runs at user end, whereas server-side scripting language is executed on a web server. Okay, I hope that's clear. And our JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. Okay, and people get confused that people ask me questions like, is Java and JavaScript same? I mean, are Java and JavaScript same? Well, no, JavaScript and Java are two different languages. Alright, JavaScript is a scripting language, whereas Java is a complete programming language. Alright, so no, Java and JavaScript are not same. Alright, and what else? And yeah, before you start learning JavaScript, you should have a basic understanding of HTML. Okay, you should have basic knowledge of HTML. If you are familiar with HTML, it's okay. Otherwise, I recommend you go watch my HTML video series first. Okay, so let's write a simple JavaScript code. This is our HTML starting and ending tags. Okay, and one more thing, we can write JavaScript code in the head section of HTML or in the body section. Okay, we can write JavaScript here between the head tags or in a body. Okay, so but browser will not know where JavaScript has started, so In order to tell it where JavaScript has started, we use a special HTML tag called script. We use this script tag. Alright. Okay. We use this script tag to tell the browser that we are dealing with a scripting language. Okay. And what type of scripting language? Type equal to text / JavaScript. Okay. So this script tag informs the browser that everything in between these scripts is a scripting language. Okay. And the attribute type is given a value text / JavaScript, specifying that the scripting language we are using is a JavaScript. Okay. And JavaScript code comes here. Okay. So we'll write our code, we'll write our JavaScript code between this script tag. Okay, opening script tag and ending script tag. Alright. So that's the syntax for JavaScript. Let's write a simple program, simple code here. And like I said before, JavaScript can be added in the body section or in the head section of our HTML code, isn't it? So I'll give you an example here. Document dot write, document dot write, brackets open, brackets close, and okay, quotation marks. What should I write here? First JavaScript, and I'll save this. Okay. So I have nothing here. I'll refresh it here. See here, first JavaScript has appeared. Okay. So this line or this statement, document.write first JavaScript, is our JavaScript code, and this document is the part of the browser where you see the web page content. Okay, this is our document. We see our web page here, isn't it? So that is our document. Document is the part of browser where you see the web page content. Okay. And document.write will write the text in this parenthesis. Okay, this statement document.write will write whatever is in parenthesis. Okay, this round brackets. In our case, we wrote first JavaScript. Okay, and the double quotes are important. Okay, when you want to print or write the text as it is, we need to add these double quotes. Alright, and every statement in JavaScript ends with a semicolon. Alright, so that's how simple JavaScripting is. And that's all in this video, guys. So I don't know what more can I add here, but thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.